Lauren Rains here, and today I'm going to take you on a journey of my life as a traveler. Come on. The people by your side, be it your oldest friends or the hostelmate you met this morning, are the ones that make your travels and your life complete. Sometimes it's a wild night in a foreign land, and other times it's just a brief look you give one another upon seeing something that's changed both of your lives.
And life is good the way it should, the way it was meant to be. And it's a beautiful day.
Virginia Woolf once said, one cannot think well, love well, or sleep well if one has not dined well. Whether we're talking scorpions on a stick, late-night empanadas in Buenos Aires, or a full-out feast for a friend's goodbye dinner as they leave for their next journey, food in and of itself tells the story of adventure.
It's a beautiful day. The wind is blowing, the bells are ringing.
Since the beginning of time, we've had the urge to explore the world's natural wonders, to stand upon mountains with peaks higher than 14,000 feet in the air, to swim the 7 seas, to navigate with your senses. That is to explore.
It's just happening, and it's a beautiful day.
Travel forces you to let go of the comforts of home. And I don't think it's ever really about getting from A to B. It's about discovering a new way of seeing things. It's the irresistible desire to understand one's very existence and to understand the world.